Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we delve into the world of financial markets, combining news and technical analysis to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, October 8th, 2024, we're focusing on AUDUSD, the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Let's start by examining the current news surrounding the pair and see what insights we can glean. From our Google search, we see several headlines discussing AUDUSD's recent decline. A prominent article from FX Street highlights the pair's drop to a fresh multi-week low of 0.7263 last Friday. Other sources echo the bearish sentiment, with articles mentioning the Australian dollar's vulnerability and potential for further declines. Now, let's turn our attention to the charts and see what the technical analysis reveals. First, we'll look at the daily chart, which provides a broader perspective on AUDUSD's price action over time. Zooming out to encompass the past several months, we can see a trend of volatility and indecision. The pair has oscillated within a defined range, with several key price levels emerging. One of the key resistance levels we've observed is around 0.7000. This level has acted as a ceiling for the pair on multiple occasions. Conversely, support can be found near 0.6500, which has acted as a floor for AUDUSD in recent weeks. The latest price action suggests a bearish bias, with the pair breaking below the 0.6500 support level. This breakdown could signal further downward pressure on AUDUSD. However, it's important to note that the pair has also shown signs of bouncing back from downtrends in the past. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. Here, we can see a more granular view of AUDUSD's movements over the past day. The 1-hour chart confirms the bearish trend witnessed on the daily chart. A series of red candles indicate consistent downward pressure. However, it's worth noting that the pair did experience a brief surge earlier today, pushing it back above the 0.6500 support level. This could be a sign of a potential bounce or a temporary reprieve. The 1-hour chart also shows that AUDUSD is currently hovering near the 0.6600 level. This level could act as immediate support, providing a potential bounce point for the pair. Looking at the news, we can see that there's a lot of uncertainty surrounding the global economy, which is influencing risk appetite and affecting currency markets. Concerns about a U.S. recession and the impact of the Chinese economy on commodity prices are weighing on the Australian dollar. These news events could be contributing to the bearish sentiment we're seeing on the charts. The 15-minute chart provides even more detail about AUDUSD's movements. We can see that the pair has been experiencing choppy trading in recent hours, with both bullish and bearish candles appearing. This volatility suggests that traders are struggling to find direction. This choppy movement could persist, making it challenging to predict the pair's immediate direction. However, zooming in on a specific time frame, such as the past 6 hours, reveals a more defined trend. In this period, the 15-minute chart shows a series of red candles, indicating consistent downward pressure. This could signal a potential continuation of the bearish trend in the near term. Furthermore, the pair's price action suggests a struggle to break above the 0.6600 level, reinforcing the bearish outlook. Overall, the technical analysis suggests a bearish bias for AUDUSD. The pair has broken below key support levels and is showing consistent downward pressure on all time frames. The news events surrounding the global economy further reinforce this bearish sentiment. Concerns about a U.S. recession and the slowing Chinese economy are creating an environment of uncertainty and risk aversion, which is generally negative for riskier currencies like the Australian dollar. However, it's important to remain objective and remember that the market is constantly evolving. While the bearish outlook appears strong, there are always opportunities for reversals. If we see the pair break above the 0.6600 level and hold, it could signal a potential shift in sentiment. Traders should remain vigilant and keep a close eye on the news and chart data for any signs of a potential reversal. As a recap, here are the key price levels to watch for AUDUSD. The immediate support level is at 0.6600. This level could provide a bounce point for the pair. However, breaking below this level could signal further declines. Resistance is found around 0.7000. This level has acted as a ceiling for the pair in the past. The pair is unlikely to break above this level unless there is a significant shift in market sentiment. Breaking above 0.7000 could signal a potential bullish reversal. Looking ahead, it's essential to monitor the news for any developments that could impact the Australian dollar. Geopolitical events, RBA interest rate decisions, and updates on the Chinese economy will all play a role in shaping the pair's future direction. The charts also provide valuable clues, with price action, support and resistance levels, and potential reversals offering insight into the market's sentiment.